guys. The Fine Pleat Hijab in black, onyx. And I never wear black ever, so enjoy. All right, we're filming the Fine Pleat tutorial. Fine Pleat Hijab, it's time. It's time. We released these back in November. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the long-awaited Fine Pleat Hijab tutorial. They come in 3 colors: the beautiful tea rose you see me wearing here, latte, a beautiful beige, classic, and onyx or black. As you know, we create everything in-house. We design everything from scratch. We don't buy finished goods and slap our label on them, so we had to figure out how to pleat a hijab. So the very unique way in which we mechanically pleated this fabric allows for it to stay pleated forever. Over time, these pleats are not gonna fall out. Unlike many other pleated hijabs, as you guys probably know, like you have them, the pleats fall out. That's not gonna happen here. The second part about pleating is figuring out in what direction for the pleats to go. So we wanted them to be, I should probably hold this up, right? There's many different types of pleats. So we wanted it to be a pleat that allowed it to have texture, but not too voluminous, which is why we did this beautiful horizontal pleat, and it's a 6mm pleat, which again, gives you that texture, but it's not too much. However, you can still see from afar that it's a pleated hijab, which is exactly what we were trying to accomplish. Because you guys know here at Hot Hijab, we don't mess around, and finishing is everything. Everything. So what we did is on the length of the hijab, it's finished with a beautiful 1mm baby hem. You guys know our finishing. It's clean, it's perfect, it's beautiful. And what you'll see here is it creates this really gorgeous curve around your head. Now on the short end, it's actually laser cut. And laser cutting is a very meticulous process that is so beautiful. And I actually wanted the entire hijab to be laser cut, but because of the way it lays around your head, we decided that 1mm baby hem was a better way to go. That said though, I love the laser cut, and you're gonna love it too. And on top of that, we have, for the first time ever, this beautiful branded gold metal plates. As a result, please do not put these in the washing machine. You don't want this to, you want this to stay as pristine as possible, as with all of our hijabs. You can dry clean these. You can also hand wash them if you prefer. Please just don't put them in the washing machine. You want these to last forever. All right, so just a little bit of tidbit. So just a little bit about the size. These are a little shorter and thinner than what you're used to, but that is because of the pleats, it creates an accordion type of effect when it is completely unraveled. So as a result, it actually is gonna be the exact width and length that you want for it to fit beautifully on and still give you the coverage that you need. Okay, so for this tutorial, you're gonna need 2 sets of magnets. I'm wearing rose gold with the tea rose because why not? Now make sure that one side is just maybe 5-6 inches longer than the other. That longer side is gonna be the one that's hanging down. Then you're gonna take the shorter side and very effortlessly just drape it over your shoulder. Now to keep this in place, because it is a little bit of a heavier fabric, that side is gonna keep falling down if you don't secure it with a magnet. You're gonna take your second magnet and secure it behind your shoulder from underneath the hijab, and then of course over the hijab. And this way, it will stay in place all day. All right, this second tutorial is really for the purposes of an underscarf. If you prefer an underscarf, then this is for you. And this time, both sides are gonna be about equal. Now you're gonna take one side and kind of fold it under and then around your shoulder, and then secure over your shoulder with the one magnet. You don't need a magnet underneath your chin for this one because the underscarf really helps keep it in place. I'm wearing latte, and I decided to use the gold magnet because I think it matches best. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. You will find that these are the most beautiful pleated hijabs, and they really are second to none. So definitely get the colors that you are eyeing, and I hope you love them. I hope you love learning about them as well. All right guys, until next time, if you have any questions about this, about anything else, leave them below, and be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.